Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about the geography multiple choice questions, that is part 4. Please check my playlist. You'll find up to part 3, which are very useful for all competitive examinations. As you can see, central government jobs as well as defense jobs. Let us see what it has been given. A bowl-shaped depression created by glacial erosion is called Kirk. This is one thing you have to remember. Whatever this bowl-shaped depression you will find by the glacial erosion, that is known as Kirk. Next we have a cataract is a huge waterfall. This is one thing, as you can see to the waterfall. So there you will find a cataract, that is a one type of huge waterfall. Next we have a comet. We are aware that it has got a tail always pointing away from the sun. As you can see to the right side, how exactly tails get longer the closer a comet gets to the sun. Tails are always directed away from the sun. That is, gas tail points straight away from the sun. Dust tail curves towards orbit path. This is exactly the orbit of comet. We knew that there is one Halley's comet which you will find after every 76 years. A cyclone is a system of wind in which the wind blows spirally. This is one thing we have to remember. Whatever the cyclone has been given, it is a system of wind in which wind blows spirally towards the center of the low pressure. You have to remember this cyclone flows towards the center of the low pressure. Next we have day is added when a man crosses the international date line from. This is one thing, it's a typographical error. This is actual answer is, here you can see to the right side, day is added when, if he is moving from east to west, it means if he is going from the Japan to towards England, he will have the gain of the day. If he comes from the England back to Japan, that is, he will lose one day. Here it is, answer is, if he moves from east to west, he will gain one day. That is what the exact meaning of it. Next we have a hot dry summer, mild winter with moderate rainfall and ample sunshine characterize the climate. So as you can see to the right side, how exactly you will find a hot dry summer, mild winter with moderate rainfall and ample sunshine, it is exist. So this is known as, that type of climate is known as taiga. You will find this place in taiga. Colombo is the capital of which nation? That is Sri Lanka, Japan, Tokyo, China, Beijing, Thailand, Bangkok. So here Colombo is the capital of Sri Lanka. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. You will find maximum question papers from various examination. Here about 800 plus question papers have been given. Have a look. It has been segregated in this manner, which is very helpful for each and every person. Next we have the comets are luminous celestial bodies moving around the earth. We knew that whatever the comets that moves around the earth. So even not only earth, it moves around the sun. So here overall, if we have an option that is sun also, they are the luminous celestial bodies which are moving around the sun. Sun is correct, is not the earth actually. Commercial fishing is best developed in Japan. So overall, whatever the fishing will happen, that will happen. The commercial fishing is best developed in Japan. So that is one thing you have to remember. Here comets, why we have taken as earth is because we can only visible which are going just around the earth. That is the reason. So here earth is the right answer because we can only see those comets which are just near to the earth. Commercial fishing is best developed in the Japan. Their maximum production of fish takes place. Compared to other slopes in the northern hemisphere, which is the warmest, that is, we knew that south facing is the one which is the warmest among all this. Next we have Congo is situated on the coast of Africa. As you can see to the right side, exactly the Republic of the Congo, which is situated on the coast of, that is, North Africa. Gate of Tears, which is known as, that is, Babel-e-Mandab, This is known as Gate of Tears. As you can see to the right side, how exactly this location takes place between near to the Djibouti. You will find this Gate of Tears, that is Bab el Mandab. That is also known as Jerusalem, where the Jesus Christ birth have taken place. Land of morning calm, that is Korea is known as land of morning calm. Land of rising sun is Japan. Next we have which is known as Sick Man of Europe, that is the nickname for the Turkey. So this is one thing you have to remember. There is one more you have to remember, which is known as Cockpit of Europe, that is Belgium, but here it is Sick Man of Europe is Turkey. African name of Rhodesia, which is dominated by white minority, is that is Zimbabwe. Please remember, whatever the African name of Rhodesia, which is dominated by white minority, that is Zimbabwe. Next we have bauxite is an important ore of aluminium. Please remember guys, bauxite is the ore of aluminium. Next we have iron. The ore of iron is hematite. So we have the mercury, the ore is cinnabar. These are all, you must know the exact ore of respective metals. Belize was formerly known as British Honduras. As you can see to the right side, how exactly this Belize and Honduras, they all exist. So Belize was formerly known as British Honduras. Next we have Cambodia was earlier known as, initially the Cambodia has been called as Kampuchea. As you can see to the right side, how exactly the people of Cambodia looks like, the dressing sense. Initially they used to call them as Kampuchea. Day and night are the result of because of the earth's rotation around its axis. This is the main reason. Even the revolution takes place around the sun, that results to the seasonal changes on the earth. Next we have day and night are equal at duration at, we can see where you will have this type of equal duration. All paralysis is latitude. In that places the day and nights are equal duration. That is what which is very important. This is my mobile number guys, 7666730252. You can call me on my mobile or message me. You will have near about 2100 PDF of GK and JS for all competitive examinations. I hope I am done my part. I request you guys to share maximum people. Let other people also be benefited with this YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.